Here we have Corbin Russwin's ML2000 series mortise lock. We're going to go over how to change the hand on this lock. Let's take a look closely at what we'll be doing first. So here's a latch bolt outside of the lock. First thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be pushing in on the latch bolt. When you push in on the latch bolt, the part that you're going to be pushing on is going to be this part of the latch bolt right here. That's going to allow you to separate the two. Secondly, the thing that I ask you to watch out for would be this little tab right here. If you work with that little tab first, it'll make it much easier to flip the latch bolt around. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to push the latch bolt in completely. Once it's pushed in completely, you're going to slide that little piece forward, and this is what you're going to push on. Once you push on that, it separates the two. Try not to move the lock body around too much at this point. That little tab there is what I'm going to take care of next. So I'm going to push that little tab through. It allows the latch bolt to come out completely. Then I'm going to flip the latch bolt over. And once again, this is that little tab we're referring to. So we're going to take this little tab and we're going to feed it into the lock body first. When we feed it into the lock body first and push hard against the latch bolt, it engages the tail piece and allows you to securely change the hand of the latch bolt. That's all you need to do. Now that we've changed the latch bolt, you need to make sure that the lock is going to lock on the correct side. So right now, with the Corbin Russwin mortise lock, the red screw represents the side that's going to be the lock side of the door. So right now, this would be the lock side of the door. If I need this to be the lock side of the door, I need to remove this red screw and transfer it to the other side. So I'm basically going to just unscrew this red screw completely. Just take it out completely. Once the red screw is taken out completely, just flip the lock over and re-screw it into the other side. Now this will be the lock side of the door. If you have a function where both levers are locked all the time, you will have two red screws in here, locking both sides of the door. So you tighten this down firmly, and now you've completely changed the hand of this lock, and it's all ready to be installed.